काँग्रेस पक्ष सोडून गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षान गेल्ले ट्रजानो डिमेलोन ब्रेस्तारा परत काँग्रेसीत प्रवेश घेतलो। काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकर, उत्तर गोंयचे जिल्लो अध्यक्ष विजय भिके हांच्या उपस्थितीत डिमेलो हांच्यांनी काँग्रेसीत प्रवेश घेतलो। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
गेले थोडे टाइम आमी मेळटालो, आमकां तो हेल्पूय करतालो आनी आयज ताणें फॉर्मली काँग्रेस पार्टीक परत येवपाची डिसिजन घेतल्या आनी ह्या वेळार आमकां खूब खुशी जाता ताका वेलकम करपाक। हांव आमचे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट फॉर्मली फॉर्म हँड ओवर करता जॉयनिंगाचे। डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट आनी ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट।
He deciding to join Congress party is by seeing the disaster of the loot and plunder that is going on. By the ministers of this government. And in such a situation, the only party today that can be a backbone to save democracy, which is at threat, not only at the state level, but also at the central level. We have seen how voice of dissent on illegalities are being crushed. Prominent leaders of the BJP are beaten up by people who are supporting this government. They are seen at the police station, lodging complaints, and no action being taken. This has been always the strategy of the BJP. Once they come to power, they don't care for their karyakartas and their leaders. Only those who can keep the government into position matter for them at the cost of the blood of the BJP worker.